What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the one on the left. You want to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now from here, we're going to push the eyeballs towards the inside. So starting on the inside edge of the left eye, draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom, and then do the same thing on the right. And we're going to fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle along the inside for the iris, going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom. And we'll add a smaller circle in the center for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. We're going to start on the left, we're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then bend that down towards the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the head. Start with a curve, going down towards the bottom, and then we just want to bend that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, round this out, and go up. Now I'm going to add two more curves on either side. Let's start on the left. Coming down, and then up in the middle, round this out, coming down, and then up towards the right side. Now in the center, we're going to draw two teeth. Let's separate the teeth with two lines coming down. Let's flatten off the bottom, going out towards the side. And we'll pull that straight up underneath the head. Now on the side, we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down the stump of the cupcake. So we'll start on the left. And this down towards the bottom. Come down towards the same height. Now you want to connect the bottom with a curve, coming down, and then back up. Now I'm going to layer an oval underneath for the plate. From this point, we're going to step up, go out, across the middle, go up on the right, and then bend that back in. Let's add that texture across the stump. Starting right in the middle, draw two straight lines coming down. Now as we go over towards the left, we're just going to bend this out. Coming down with a slight angle. Couple more. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now going all the way up towards the top, let's draw the side of the candle. Draw two straight lines coming down, and then we'll round out the top. Let's add that texture across the candle, starting from the top left, then it's down and across, step down, and just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom. And now we're going to add in that flame. Starting from the center, bend this out, in, and then out, and then we'll round out the right side. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. Now if you want to check out our other channels, I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.